Hey there, and welcome to our vlog series on the changing face of Europe's auto industry. I'm Luca Gabella, and today we're diving into a hot topic that's got everyone from CEOs to everyday drivers talking. The European Union has big plans for a greener future, but are those plans putting the brakes on one of its most iconic industries? Buckle up, because we're about to take a ride through the twists and turns of EU regulations, Chinese competition, and what it all means for you and your next car purchase. Let's start with the regulatory roadblock. The EU has set some of the world's most ambitious targets for reducing vehicle emissions. By 2035, they want all new cars sold to be zero emission. Sounds great for the planet, right? But for European automakers, it's like trying to turn a cruise ship on a dime. These companies have spent decades perfecting combustion engines, and now they're being told to reinvent their business in just a few years completely. It's not just about swapping out engines, it's about retooling factories, retraining workers, and rethinking entire supply chains. While European manufacturers are scrambling to adapt, there's a new player speeding onto the scene: China. Chinese automakers have been laser-focused on electric vehicles for years, and now they're ready to flood the European market with cheaper models. We're not just talking about budget cars either. Brands like NIO and BYD are producing high-quality EVs that can go toe-to-toe with European luxury brands. And here's the kicker: they're often doing it at a lower price point. The auto industry has long been a cornerstone of European manufacturing, providing millions of jobs and driving innovation. But as production shifts towards EVs, we're seeing factory closures and job losses across the continent. It's not all doom and gloom, though. New opportunities are emerging in battery production, software development, and charging infrastructure. The question is, can Europe pivot fast enough to maintain its competitive edge? So what does all this mean for you, the consumer? Well, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, you'll have more electric options to choose from, often at competitive prices. On the other hand, some worry about the loss of traditional European car brands and the potential impact on local economies. There are also concerns about charging infrastructure and battery range. Are European cities ready for a full-scale EV revolution? Will consumers embrace this change, or will there be pushback? As we've seen, the EU's green transition is shaking up the auto industry in ways both expected and surprising. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. But one thing's for sure: the cars we drive and the way we think about transportation are changing fast. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments, what do you think about the EU's push for electric vehicles? Are you ready to make the switch, or do you have concerns? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode as we continue to explore the changing landscape of Europe's auto industry. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.